Hello dear friends. Today I am going to a brief explanation about a small special type of bearing named needle bearing that connects the piston to the connecting rod with the help of this pin. See, when you notice properly, inside the piston there is a rod. You can see the rod is moving inside and the connecting rod is here. See, the mechanism is inside the cylinder. With the help of this connecting rod, the crank when the crank moves, the piston will go up and down in high RPM. See, when you remove this, I will show that. When you remove this, see, it's coming out, that pin. When you remove this, now you can see. This is inside. Okay. What I am trying to explain you is, here you can see two needle bearing and one more. Now it is three. Out of this, the middle one is a new one because the needles are seated perfectly inside that cylinder. This is slightly projected outside. This is also slightly projected outside. These two are used one. This I brought last week. Two needle bearing I brought. One I changed inside and one I just kept. This cost me 120 rupees only. 6 months back it cost 80 rupees only. You will get it from a genuine two-wheeler spare market, not from the black market. Certain people will provide you the whole kit only with the piston, rings and the pin. But if you try, you will get it separately, maximum 120 rupees. If you change this needle bearing, the sound of the engine will reduce. There are different sound will come from the Yamaha RX100 engine. We can't identify the sound because the piston is moving inside the cylinder in a high speed like this, high RPM. Maybe it's from the rings, maybe it's from the connecting rod to the crankshaft bearing, many things. But from my experience and from my point of view, if you change this bearing, you will get a normal Yamaha RX100 engine sound. Of course you can remove the whole engine and change the crankshaft bearing and all, definitely, but it's little more easy. You just want to remove this much part only and remove this bearing. Trust me, it will reduce your engine sound up to 40 to 60%. I am experienced with the two bearings. Thank you, friend. Thank you for hearing me. See you later.